Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just go to the clip. Here you can see I have a clip here. To remove the background noise you can just add an effect. So here you can see, click on effect and just search for denoise. And after searching for denoise, here you can see the denoise effect. Just click on it and drag it on here, and after that here you can see effect controls. Click on effect controls, and here you can see the denoise effect is here, and you can see the custom setup. You can just click on edit, and here you can see the amount of the denoiser is 40%. If you make it 100%, then no more the background noise will be here, and if you make it like 0%, the whole background noise will be here. So you can make it according to you, just like I am making it 50%. And by listening to the audio you can just fix what you need to fix in removing background noise. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.